Welcome to the iPhone Security and Privacy course. We'll show you how to set up a passcode on your iPhone to protect your personal information and data. You'll also learn how to add Face ID security on your phone, so you can unlock your phone without a passcode. If your iPhone has a physical home button, some of the steps might be slightly different, but you can still follow along. Adding a passcode is one of the easiest ways to secure your phone and the information on it. It's a bit like a key, so if someone doesn't know your passcode, they won't be able to unlock your phone. Let's look at how to set up a passcode to lock and unlock your phone. Start from the Home screen, which is where you'll find the Settings app. Tap it to open up a menu of options. Scroll down until you see Face ID and Passcode. It might be called Touch ID and Passcode if you have an older model iPhone. If you already have a passcode on your iPhone, the next few steps are similar to those for changing your passcode. Tap on Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down to turn passcode on and tap on it. You can explore a range of passcode types under Passcode Options. But for this demonstration, we're going to create a 6-digit code. Choose a 6-digit passcode that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. To create a strong passcode, use random numbers and avoid number patterns. For added security, keep a record of your passcode in a safe place. Using the keyboard, tap in a 6-digit passcode. If the iPhone says the passcode is too weak, tap Change Passcode and try again. Remember, you should avoid number patterns. Enter your passcode again to verify it. If you have an Apple ID set up on your iPhone, you can add your new passcode to your account by entering your Apple ID password. We're going to skip this step, so tap Cancel at the top left of the screen. You might need to wait a moment for the phone to finish setting the passcode. Now, when you don't use your phone for a period of time, it will lock automatically, and you will need to enter your passcode to use it. Of course, it isn't always convenient to have your phone lock right away, so you can choose how long your phone remains unlocked after use by tapping Require Passcode. A short delay time offers better security, so tap the 5 minutes option. Tap the back arrow at the top left to return to the Face ID and Passcode screen. If you're worried someone may know your passcode, it's easy to change it. Tap Change Passcode and follow the steps to set a new 6-digit number. It's time to practice using your passcode to unlock your phone. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. Now, press the power button on the right side of your iPhone. Don't hold it down for too long. Just press it once quickly so the screen goes dark. Now, press the power button once more, or pick it up and tilt it upright to wake the phone up. The lock screen appears, showing a padlock at the top. Swipe up to unlock your phone. A number pad will appear where you can enter your passcode. Carefully tap in each number of your passcode. If you enter it incorrectly, the passcode will shake. If you enter the wrong passcode 6 times in a row, you may be locked out of your iPhone. Keep a record of your passcode so you don't forget it, and make a backup of your phone. If you can't remember your passcode, you can always restore your phone's contents and settings from the backup. We'll show you how to back up your phone in another course. Once you've entered the passcode correctly, the home screen appears and your phone is unlocked and ready to use. Let's look at how you can use your face instead of a passcode to unlock your phone. It's called Face ID and it's easy to set up. Face ID can be a faster and more convenient way to unlock your phone. But you will still need a passcode to keep your information secure. Your passcode can always unlock your phone, even if Face ID is set up. To set up Face ID security, tap the Settings app. Then scroll to Face ID and Passcode. Tap on it. Then you'll need to type in your passcode. Tap Set up Face ID to start the setup. Now you'll see the How to Set up Face ID screen. Follow the on-screen instructions by positioning your face in the camera frame and moving your head to show different angles of your face. When you've practiced this, tap Get Started to begin the setup. Your phone will ask you to move your head in a circle a few times. This allows the camera in your phone to scan your face from different angles. When the first Face ID scan is complete, tap Continue. And follow the instructions to scan your face a second time. Now you're finished. Tap Done to return to the Face ID and passcode screen. The green switches show that Face ID can now be used for a range of things. iPhone Unlock, for instance, lets you use Face ID to unlock your phone. You can also use it instead of typing in your password when buying things from iTunes and the App Store. Plus, you can use Face ID when using the Wallet app and Apple Pay to buy things at the counter in a store, or when autofilling passwords while logging into apps and websites. If you want to change any of these settings, simply tap the green switch next to the feature to switch it off. To test that Face ID is set up correctly, press the power button to lock your iPhone. The screen will go dark. Now press the power button again to show the lock screen with a padlock at the top. You have the option to swipe up to unlock using a passcode. But to use Face ID, you just need to look at your phone. When it recognises you, the padlock symbol will change to unlocked, and you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open your phone. If the padlock does not unlock, swipe up and your phone will try Face ID once more. If your phone cannot register your face, you can enter your passcode to unlock your phone. You should now know how to protect the personal data and information on your phone using a passcode and Face ID. If you're unsure about any steps, you can rewind the video or click the chapter headings to jump to the start of a chapter. If you're ready to move on, there are many other courses to explore on Be Connected.